Hi there, welcome to Lilly-Tree. Today we're going to be making these quick wire heart earrings. So let's get making. For this project we need 2 ear hooks and 2 pieces of 1mm diameter wire, which is 18 gauge, 7.5cm or 3 inches long. This will be more than long enough for the size of heart we're making here, but having that extra to trim off is useful for shaping. And the tools we need are chain or flat nose pliers, wire cutters, bail making or round nose pliers, a hammer and block, and a file. We're going to start by folding the wire in half. We want a nice clean sharp fold and bend that wire right back on itself. We'll then do the same with the other piece for the other earring. Then we want to take each side of that fold in a pair of flat nose or chain nose pliers and just twist slightly to open them up into a V shape. And for the second wire we'll twist it the other way because we want a mirror image for the final heart. Then we're going to take our bail making pliers and I'm going to use the third step on this. You can use round nose pliers if you don't have bail making pliers. And we want to put our pliers right at the bend that we've just made in the wire. And then carefully bend one side of the wire around that. And we want to do the same the other side, but the pliers won't fit in the same way. So we'll have to shape that from the top. And just carefully bend that around until we've shaped the top of the heart. We can then adjust this to get the shape that we want. We'll then need to do exactly the same with the other wire. And just spend a bit of time to make sure those heart shapes are about the same size and shape. Then we want to bend one of the tails of the wire, just under where they cross to make the heart. And do the same with the other wire. And we're now ready to start hammering. We're now going to trim the ends of those wires so they extend just a couple of millimetres outside of the heart. We can cut the curved back wire first and then cut the front wire to the same length. We want to hammer both of these ends, so to get access we just need to gently open the heart up. Open one of those wires forwards to keep the shape of the heart, and then we can hammer just the very tip of the wire. Turn it over and do the same the other side. And then close that heart back up again. This is optional, but I like hammering the top of the heart too. So if you want to do this, just hammer the most curved part and avoid where the wires cross in the middle. We then want to carefully file both ends of the wire, just to make sure there's no burrs. And this can shape them a bit as well. We want to do the same for both hearts. And then just make sure they're the shape we want. That top's lying flat. We can just curve the ends over each other slightly. Now you could solder the ends together if you want to, but I find they hold their shape anyway. And then we can open the loop on the ear hook, add on our heart, we'll do the same with our other heart, and our earrings are finished. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, why not head to this playlist for more heart-shaped jewellery tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.